All right, so we're gonna put this in the chuck. All right. I'm only doing about 1/4 of an inch at a time, maybe 5-6 millimeters, because it's kind of out far from the chuck, and I don't want to get too aggressive and it fly off. When you have wood that's kind of wet, you want to continue to tighten up that chuck every time you stop. Another thing too is I'm going to try to get as finished of an edge up here. I don't want to go back and cut this part like up in here when I'm all the way down here, because it'll cause problems. It'll vibrate too much. I'm going to use the round carbide from Simple Woodturning Tools. All right, there's our mug. Put a little undercut in it so it'll sit flat. And tomorrow we will put a handle on it, and that will be our mug for the mug project. It might be a little bit thin. We'll try it, see what happens. I think that'll look pretty good. Right. Well, all right, that's not gonna work. All right, I'm gonna stop there. I think that's gonna look fine. Clean off any wax that's on there. All right, that's our handle. Wrapping your sandpaper around the sponge is going to avoid sanding and finger lines. Yeah, that's true.